Hello, beautiful people. Let's watch this video.
Kenyan girls are not materialistic, Abby.
No money. Remember what I told you? Love and
care.
Love.
They are not materialistic like Nigerian girls.
They are not materialistic at all.
Just love and care.
Kenyan girls are not materialistic. Let's see how that goes now.
Hi.
Hi.
I bought you flowers.
Oh my gosh! Oh, thank you. I can't send you Sana. OMG. Come in.
Love and care. I swear. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm making soup for you, baby.
Look, I told you she's not materialistic. Saving money.
What is this?
And care. That's why she wants to
What
use
is this? She planning to...
For your woman. Love and care. Take her out on a date. Love.
So, I want to take you out on a date.
On a date?
Yes.
Oh my god. So such an individual dress. Like a heel.
She's not materialistic indeed, though.
So why is this one taking time? Now, is this how they take time in Kenya?
Kenyan ladies take time. But remember, she's not materialistic, alright? Bro, love
And care. It's better for me to date a woman and be patient than for me to be materialistic. What be?
Is that the same girl or another girl?
You carry school bag.
Hii ya kuweka food. Once you clear food, alafu ibaki instead ya tuitupe, tunaiweka
You
hapa.
don't want Nigerian girls, you want Kenyan girls. Okay.
Ile
Now.
cool alafu phone bag.
I am saying we're gonna eat food, okay? So instead of throwing it away, the food that will remain, we'll put it here.
Okay. Cheap.
What is that?
You don't want to match me?
My new shoes.
Okay, your new shoes. Okay, you wear it and
You don't want to match it then?
Don't like
Simple
it.
question.
I got the advice from a madman.
love
and care.
From a madman indeed.
what you asked for.
Don't like the
I like the way you look. But
Look at my face.
you don't want anything to eat.
No. The drink is okay. I actually brought something from the house.
Okay, you bought something from the house. She's not materialistic.
She's not materialistic. That one Nigerian girl, so yeah now. Problem. She's not materialistic. She's not materialistic.
Jesus.
You get upset that blow no touch. Instead of me to date this type that is not materialistic, I would rather date Vera Sidika or Ashmusi.
Hey. So you get my capon go shit for toilet, tell me you go flush am. You no gree flush am.
Ah, bros. I go there go flush the shit. I don't see water now.
Whether water dey o, whether water no dey o, for this prison, flush the shit.
How are you supposed to flush
Flush
toilets?
shit without water.
Yes.
How is it possible? Hey, which of Oga Sabinus, sir? Collect food.
Why did you look
Oh,
at
yeah,
me?
now,
You don't want
okay. You don't want to eat your food again.
I'm not so sure I go chop out.
Give me that thing. Come prison they do soft boy.
But how are you supposed to even flush toilet
Why are
without
you
water?
here, eh?
Oh, Jesus.
Or are they... Well, let's... What is going to happen here?
Ooh. Between the enter. Chamu. What's up?
So this is the reason Sabinus did not want to eat the rice.
From the people wicked, they won't eliminate me. Be lifted high. Oh Lord, be lifted.
It's a prank.
So this man, they fear like this. So they see the love price they run.
Capo respect. Your food. Man, the love food.
Confirm. See chicken. What's your name there?
I'm down inside though.
Tapon.
Prank.
This serious. This one don't die.
Not be hand that they use check. You go touch and chest brush.
Nah, Capone die. Nah, Capone die. This one, I read it.
The heart don't cool.
Touch my chest. It's beating slow, right?
It's coming down.
Oh. I'm not dying in Jesus' name. I'm not dying in Jesus' name.
You will
I'm
die,
not dying in
you will
Jesus'
die.
name. Your love flash not gonna kill me for this life.
It has already killed you already. It has killed you already.
I'm beside, don't be dying. I'm dying.
You are dying.
Leave this house. Leave.
Gabriel, is this how you want to pay me back?
I said leave this house.
After so many years, guess what? You're not going to find any woman like me.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't. You won't, I promise you. There are no good women out there. You have one good woman and you want to chase her away for what? Let me tell you something. Love is all about the heart.
Before you start motivating, let me take off the wig I bought for her.
Gabriel, are you going to take this off for you?
Let him take it. Take off the wig since all you're after are material things. Good women are no more out there. Now you have one who...
Hey! What is this?
A lot of things are happening to me. Say the eyes, the baby, and the waiting. Honestly, when they see a camouflage,
Who are you? No be gallo be this.
Don't see her.
They do men.
You know what? If you don't see the beauty that is facing you like this,
Okay.
somebody else does. What? Bro,
Oh, guys, it's your fault. It's wig washing.
Thank you.
You know, all my life, I thought I had a type until I met you. You're not just my type. You are my manifestation.
I was.
Please be my girlfriend.
Sister's about to have a boyfriend! I'm so precious! Come here immediately! Precious! Sister's about to have a boyfriend! Oh, birthday!
Truly, this is not a coincidence. This is a cosmic alignment. This is called the law of attraction
And manifestation! Exactly, this is called the law of attraction, and it says if you vividly visualize something, speak it into your existence and align it with your energy, and boom! It manifests! Oh, Uncle, you're such a manifestation. Today's my auntie's birthday. Today's her birthday. And today's life.
Hey!
Uncle Manifestation!
Madam, respect, much respect. Respect to the house. Madam, I came to join this your winch because I just say if I join winch, money damn. What go tell you? Madam, I don't suffer. They be really hungry, won't finish me. Nothing will never try. If I to join winch, where things go better, make I join.
Are you sure? You can do this?
Again, sure again. What I never do, madam. I'm a winch.
Can you stop blood?
Putting the blood, madam. Compound where they stay. People plenty. Blood yappa. If I suck that full compound finish. When I feel them, they can't join me suck. People they.
Your first mission has to go and suck blood.
I'm a wicked man.
Then come back for us to know that you are capable to belong in this coven. Hey!
forbid.
That's what they do for you. Hey!
Oh, Jesus.
Are you mad? Jesus! Yeah, you were supposed to shout Jesus now. Joe! Jesus! I don't die. Who gets these dogs? Who gets these dogs? I was feeling hot and fever. I went for test, they gave me this medicine that I have to change me. Joe! I don't die, but you're a very stupid person. I'm going to suck HIV, Jesus. Today when I don't win, Joe, I don't suck HIV. God, I have this help on me. Go and get me water to drink this medicine now. Quick! Get me water to drink what you're drinking! Quick now, before this gets my money!
Dead bodies for surplus.